Hi everyone, welcome to this channel Lifeholic, and my name is Adele, and today we are going to open a box. It's plant mail. My friend Myra from Myra Murison gave me this as a gift for my birthday, because if you don't know, this is my birth month. And yeah, so let's just open this. Myra, thank you so much. Thank you, Myra. And she bought this on Etsy. So now we are going to open this. I'm not sure what she gave me, but she just said it's a surprise, so let's find out. I hope the plant is still alright, because it took 2 weeks. She said she ordered it on the 3rd of January and it just arrived yesterday, but I missed it, so I have to get it from the post office today. So let's see. I have no clue what she sent or bought or gave me. Sorry. It has lots of newspapers, and I believe she said she bought it at 2 Plant Geeks. Why can't I say it? 2 Plant Geeks from Etsy. And so there's lots of newspaper, and now I can see some bubble wrapping in plastics. So and lots of soil. Oh, okay. I think I can see one of the plants now. I think this is one of them. It's a bit hard to open. So I cut some of the sticky tape, and here it is. Oh my god! Oh, is this philodendron micans? Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, thank you, Myra. Thank you. You are so generous and really thoughtful and really kind. Thank you, Myra. You know it's on my wish list, so thank you. Oh, it's so pretty. Wow. Thank you, Myra. That is really so pretty. Thank you so much. And I think there's another one. I'll put it here. Oh, oops. This one. Oh, this one, I think the soil of the plant. Yep. I'll cut this one again. Hopefully it's faster than the other one. Okay. Should have a scissors or something. Okay. Ooh, what's this? Oh, the only problem is the soil now is like everywhere. But yeah, wow. I think this is a philodendron. I'm just not sure what, but I think it is. Unfortunately, there's no like any letter, any writings to know what plant it is, but I think this is like philodendron. Oh, thank you, Myra. You are you're really so thoughtful, and you really know what I like, because I like philodendron, and I love philodendron micans. I'll message you later, Myra, because I just ordered this also. But it's gonna be maybe next week video or something. But thank you, Myra. I never thought that you're gonna send me, you know, my wishlist plants. Thank you so much. Please, guys, follow Myra Murison on YouTube, and I think it's Jimya_garden on Instagram. She's really nice, sweet, and very thoughtful. And thank you again, Myra, for your birthday gift. Thank you. Love it. I love it so much. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. She gave me this gift as a birthday gift because this is my birth month. Is it right? Birth month. So this is I just killed the fancy. Yep. Sorry, Myra. Oops. Okay, we're just gonna open this. So yeah, this is a big box, and I hope the plants are still alive. And let's go.